Hey everybody, it's me, Caribbean Andy. Today we're going to make a daiquiri, something that is Caribbean by nature. Daiquiri is a pretty simple and easy cocktail to make at home. You don't need a lot of ingredients, only one spirit. You can certainly jazz it up. And a lot of people might be thinking, a daiquiri, like a strawberry daiquiri, like a frozen cocktail. A classic daiquiri is simply just rum, sugar, and lime juice. A daiquiri has its roots at the turn of the century. There's a few different stories like there are with a lot of older cocktails, but basically the early 1900s, and has some roots in Cuba and New York. Throughout the 1940s, rum-based drinks got to be a lot more popular during World War II because of open trade with Latin America. And then in the 70s and 80s, when we started freezing them all together and adding in fruit syrups and frankly whatever we wanted. But the idea of a frozen daiquiri actually goes all the way back to 1915. Constantino Ribalagua. He was the head bartender at the Floridita in Havana, and his cocktail book actually describes several daiquiri variations that are frappe style, so they're blended over crushed ice. So, that's step one of freezing the daiquiri, and that's all the way back in the 19-teens. Today we're just going to do a simple classic daiquiri served up in a coupe. We'll start by going ahead and chilling our coupe while we build our cocktail. And we're going to use White Rum, Maggie's Farm White Rum. Maggie's Farm Rum has been being made by Allegheny Distilling in Pittsburgh, PA since 2013. You might be thinking, that's not Caribbean at all. Well, neither am I, but their yeast is derived from the Caribbean. And so is mine. 2 ounces of Maggie's Farm White Rum. And then we'll use 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Pack the tin with ice. Shake. And double strain. It's perfect. This is so good. I know that's my reaction to every cocktail, but the rum you choose is really going to make a big difference in this. Lime and sugar are pretty much always going to be the same. My simple syrup is 1-to-1. It's just raw sugar and water. A true daiquiri calls for white rum. You can certainly substitute any kind you want. I'm not going to sub you. But fun fact, if you're ever in a bar with me and you hear me order a Smith & Cross daiquiri, that's when you know it's time to get me home. For a hot summer day, I think don't get too crazy. Keep it simple. 3 ingredients, shake it up. Serve it on the rocks if you want. So I'm sitting here watching this with all of you, of course, and I'm thinking, well, Caribs, what if somebody wants a strawberry daiquiri? It's easy. Follow the same recipe, just cut up a strawberry and shake it up with everything else. It's like dessert, like a fresh dessert. It's like having salad for dessert. Thank you all again for tuning in. Please do make sure you're subscribed. You can actually hit that picture of me right there. That'll subscribe you to my channel, and you can stay up to date with all of the cocktails that I'm making every week. And please do also, if you enjoyed the video today, hit the thumbs up button down below. That helps me getting the video recommended to more people on YouTube. Thanks again. Bye.